So today we'll start from line number 219, The Merchant of Venice, Act 3, Scene 2. Bassanio, enter Lorenzo, Jessica and Celario. All three are subplot characters, and here the subplot and the main plot gets mixed up. So whenever subplot and main plot gets mixed up, there is going to be a twist, and here also we are going to have a twist. Bassanio, Lorenzo and Celario, welcome hither means welcome here, means in the palace of Portia in Belmont. If that the youth of my new interest here, the youth of my new interest here. Youth means, as it is written, my newly acquired claim. Now he has got the authority of Portia's wealth and palace. Just now he has got after winning the game of casket. So this is very young. His authority is very young. So here youth signifies the newly acquired authority of Bassanio. Of my new interest here. That means new interest means his wealth, that means Portia's wealth. So his newly acquired authority over Portia's wealth allows him to welcome his friend, then obviously his friends are cordially welcome. Have power to bid you welcome. So if his newly acquired authority allows him to welcome his friend, then obviously he would like to welcome his old friends. By your leave, 221 means with your permission, I bid my very friend and countryman, sweet Portia, welcome. With Portia's permission, his native people are welcome here. Portia, so do I, my lord. That means she also allows and permits that very gratitude. She also welcomes them. They are entirely welcome. That means they are truly welcome. Lorenzo, I thank your honor for my lord. So he wants to thank the greatness of Bassanio. For my own part, my lord, that means according to him, he was enjoying life with Jessica. He was wasting Jessica's property, Jessica's money. Where? In Genoa. Now, my purpose, that means intention, was not to have seen you here. He did not wish to come here and meet Bassanio. But meeting with Celario by the way, did entreat me past all saying nay to come with him along. So who asked him to come here? Celerino. He met Celerino by the way, and he entreated him, he requested him to come here in Belmont. Line number 228. He did entreat me. He means Celerino. He requested him several times, and in spite of several requests, what happened? He persuaded him, he forced him to come here at Belmont. So it was not his decision to be in Belmont, but a sudden meeting with Celario by the way made him come here in Belmont. Celario, I did, my lord, and I have reason for it. Yes, he admitted that he made him come here in Belmont, and there is a reason behind it. Signor Antonio commends him to you. Signor means respected. Antonio commends him, that means sends his greeting and wishes to you, gives Bassanio letter. Now he has handed over Bassanio a letter. This line should be kept separately. This should not get attached to this line of Salerio. Bassanio, ere I ope this letter. Ere means before. I ope means I open this letter. So before I open this envelope, instead of letter you will write envelope. I pray you, I request you, tell me how my good friend does. That means, what's the condition of my good friend? How is he? Salerio, not sick, my lord. Antonio is not physically sick, my lord, unless it be in mind, but he is mentally sick. Nor well, unless in mind. So, he is psychologically not fit. His mind is not fit or stable. He doesn't have the stable mind that he used to have. There is no more a sound mind that Antonio possesses. Why? Due to this failure of bond. His letter there will show you his estate. The letter, as you open it, will show you his condition. So, let us summarize this part 219 to 238. So, what we have seen, these fellows, Lorenzo, Jessica and Salerio, they appeared the palace of Belmont. Bassanio seek permission of Portia to welcome them, and Portia allowed Bassanio to allow them to enter open-heartedly. They entered, and immediately Lorenzo informed Bassanio that it was not his plan to be here in Belmont. Certain reasons were there behind his arrival here. He was enjoying his life there in Genoa. We know that poor Jessica was wasting money recklessly there in Genoa. They were enjoying a beautiful time, a reckless time that we can say better. And they met Salerio, by the way. Somehow they met Salerio, and Salerio requested them several times to be here at Belmont. And they have come along with a message from Antonio. Antonio has sent good wishes to Bassanio. Good luck. Antonio does not know what has happened already in Belmont. He has sent good luck, and along with good luck, he has sent a message in a letter in an envelope. And Salerio mentioned that Antonio is physically fit but mentally sick. He is not that fit anymore. He is suffering a great deal. How? Because we know the bond is about to expire and the ships did not return, and to add salt to the wounds, one of the ships got destroyed in the narrow sea at Goodwin. So all this misfortune happened periodically for Antonio. He is mentally sick. He is no more mentally sound, but physically he is fine. And the letter contains the detail of Antonio. How is he? What is his condition? And what would be the probable future? Bassanio reads the letter. Now Bassanio has opened the letter to read. Gratiano, Nerissa, cheer yon stranger. Cheer. Instead you write welcome. Ian means over there it is written. You can write those also. Stranger, because these people are unknown to Portia. She does not know any of these newcomers, Jessica, Lorenzo or Salerno. Bid her welcome. Her means Jessica. Bid Jessica welcome. Your hand, Salerio. Now Gratiano is asking for the hand of Salerio. This is a common gesture of fellow feeling and friendship. Asked his hand to enter, to welcome him. What is the news from Venice? What is the news in Venice? How doth the royal merchant, good Antonio? What is the condition of our rich merchant, respected merchant Antonio. I know he will be glad of our success. Antonio will be extremely happy to know that his friends have done very well in the game of casket. We are the Jasons and we have won the fleece. Again, the illusion of Jason. You know very well who was Jason. Jason won from Iolcos. His father was Asian. He went to Colchos to win the hands of Medea. By winning the golden fleece of golden ram, she got the hands of Portia. Medea. So here he is comparing himself and Bassanio as Jasons, and they have won the golden fleece. That means they have won the game of casket, or they have won both Jessica and Nerissa respectively. Salerio, very beautiful line. I would mean I think. Where is I would? Normally we use I wish. Better you write I think. You had won the fleece that he had lost. Here fleece means wealth. You have won the wealth both of love and of materialistic value. You have won the wealth that Antonio has lost. Obviously, they were sponsored by Antonio. Those 3,000 ducats now, it is going to be a deathbed for Antonio. They have won Portia and Jessica respectively. But at the same time, they are going to have some problem. Their dear friend Antonio is in trouble. So, let us see. I know he will be glad of our success. He will be very happy of our success. We are the Jason who have won the fleece. Salerio, I think you had won the fleece, you have won the wealth that Antonio hath lost. Antonio has lost. It is because of sacrifice of Antonio, you two people are here. You two people are enjoying the apex of your love and apex of your luck, both love and luck. There are some shrewd contents in yon same paper. There are some shrewd means bitter, terrible content, that means writing. In yon same paper, in yon means in that, same paper means in that letter. Portia guesses that the letter contains something very bad news that steals the color from Bassanio's cheek. Steals means that has taken off. The color means the joy, the charm from Bassanio's cheek means Bassanio's face. Bassanio was extremely happy before, after winning the game of casket. But this sudden appearance of these fellows, as well as the bad news that he has got in the letter, changed his facial expression. And Portia, being intelligent, she understood very clearly that something happened. So he is mentioning that there are some shrewd content in that letter. There are some bitter content, obviously bitter content in the letter. Till now she does not know what is in the letter. How did she understand? Because that changed the facial expression. The joy. It has taken up the joy from Bassanio's face. Some dear friend wrote, question, has anyone died who is Bassanio's dear friend? Else nothing in the world could turn so much the constitution of any constant man. Constitution means the expression or look of a constant man, means confident man. Only the dear friend's death can change the facial expression of a confident man. Bassanio, being very much confident, cannot be expected to look like this. So Portia guesses that some dear friend has died, and that can only change the facial expression, the joy of a constant man, of a confident man. What worse and worse? What can be worse than that? What worse and worse mean? What can be worse than that. So in this video we have completed till line number 249 from line number 219. Finding any doubt, do ask me. As I have sent the message in Tenno, I have asked you to ask your doubts, ask your problem, get solution via WhatsApp, via phone calls or via message. Okay, and if you have doubt, you kindly ask me. Okay, kindly ask me that one. Okay, that is, it is mentioned, the timing is mentioned in Tenno, so do ask me your doubts if you have any doubts regarding this very topic. Go through the video properly. If needed, watch twice, and if needed, you just communicate to get your doubts clear. Thank you very much, children.